Acupressure. Acupressure points can also help improve your eyesight. Press each point for 5 minutes in the morning and 5 minutes in the evening. Do it yourself. But what are these points? Have a look. Both the hands. We are showing the left hand. Press this area like this. This is the eye point. This is the first finger, the second finger, the index and the middle finger. Between these two, this point. Between these two fingers, there is a depression. Between these two fingers, there is a depression. Press this point. Press and release, like this. Not in your left hand only, press in both the hands. Even if you have problem in one of your eyes, press both the hands, the other eye will remain healthy. And those who are fully fit, press this point for 1 minute each. You can even do this once a week. You may remain free from eye disorders forever. This is for the eyes. Press like this, that's it. After pressing eye points, you can press kidney pressure points. This one. At the center of your palm. This point, it's for your kidney. Just like the pressure point on the left hand, we have pressure point on the right hand in the same position. It's here. This one. In both the hands. First day press these points for 1 minute each. Second day for 2, third day 3, then 4 and 5 minutes. Initially it may pain a little. There may be a swelling. But keep pressing. These points are very beneficial for your eyesight. So these are the eye pressure points. Press for 1 to 5 minutes. If your problems are acute, you may do this thrice a day in the morning, afternoon and evening. And in 40 days it may help to get rid of your glasses. In addition, it may prove beneficial for all the disorders of the eye that I had mentioned earlier. You may be protected from problems of the eye. Similar acupressure points are present in the foot sole also. Press these as well. Just below the first and the second toe, this point. You may press here with your thumb or some hard object or pen, etc. can also be used. But the object must be round. Press it like this. These are very important points for the eyes. For any ailment related to the eyes. You have similar points in the right foot below these toes. This point. You can press it like this. You can press these points yourself. Below these two fingers. Press it like this. You can do it yourself. If you want to do it yourself, then sit like this. Keep your feet like this and press it this way. Do it yourself. Or take somebody's help. It will pain if your eye problem is acute. It may help to get rid of glasses, may benefit in case of eye allergy, excess watering of eyes, or repeated reddening of eyes, or in case of dry eyes, double vision, problem of color vision, problem of night blindness. All these are controlled 100%. Problems of glaucoma, cataract, retina, cornea, problem of retinitis pigmentosa or problem of viral keratitis. The disorders of the cornea may also get healed by this. Weak eyesight may also be cured. Press it like this over here. The point for kidney is present on both the foot sole and hands as well. Press this kidney point on your foot sole also. Here, press it like this. Please do remember. Children should avoid watching TV excessively. Rays of television may cause harm to their eyes. Never watch from close distance. Always maintain a proper distance. Also remember, watch TV for short durations, otherwise it will affect your eyes and create problems. Therefore, you must follow these precautions. Rays of TV are very harmful. They may spoil your eyes. All radioactive instruments have a negative impact on the sensitive organs and parts of our body. They are affected by it. Never read any book while lying down on your stomach. Always reading in sitting position. Change your reading habits for the good. Don't read while lying on the stomach and even while lying on the back. This is extremely harmful. Do not read while lying down. Neither while lying down on the stomach. Children must remember this.